How to download Messenger Lite. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download Messenger Lite. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply click on the search icon from the bottom menu, and over here on the search bar just simply search for Messenger Lite. And as soon as you search for it, you can see that there are so many applications, but you won't be able to see the Messenger Lite application in the Play Store. So in order to download the application successfully, all you have to do is just simply go to your Chrome browser, just open it, and on the search bar just simply search for Messenger Lite APK download, and you will be able to see a bunch of different options. Just simply click on the first link that you will see on the top, and now it says Messenger Lite. Just simply click on free download, and now just accept all the terms and conditions and click on start download. And now just follow the on-screen instructions in order to download the Messenger Lite on your device. And yeah, this is basically how you will be able to download Messenger Lite on your mobile device. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.